At the beginning, please allow me to introduce myself. This is Mr. Ahmed. Yeah, this is me. Today we will use the picture of Mr. Ahmed in our lesson. If I have 2x plus 3x. Yep. Okay. 2 of something x here. Let's name that x here represent Mr. Ahmed. Okay. I have 2x. I have 2x. It's mean that I have two pictures of Mr. Ahmed right here. Just small here, make it small. Two pictures. Okay, two pictures. Yeah, this is the first and this is the second. Yep. And in the second here I have 3x. I have 3x. So I have three pictures also of Mr. Ahmed because they are the same, x and x. So they are the same. I have one. Yep. Two. This one. And the third one, 3. Yep, this one. So I have plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So I have now how many picture of Mr. Ahmed? Okay, let's count right now. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5. Can you tell me 5 what? Yeah, 5 pictures of Mr. Ahmed. Yep. Okay, so that's it. Pictures of Mr. Ahmed, like here. Yeah, 5 pictures. If I have another one, this is the picture of the best player in the holy planet. Okay. No comments, just this is the best player in the holy planet. Okay, I have another copy. Okay, like this. Okay, if I asked you to just add these pictures together, okay, and tell me the expression by the end. Okay, you'll tell me I have Cristiano, Mr. Ahmed, Mr. Ahmed, Mr. Ahmed, Mr. Ahmed, Mr. Ahmed, Cristiano. Yeah, I have they are different, they are not the same. Cristiano, it's a player. Mr. Ahmed is a math teacher. So I can't add them together. But I can't add Cristiano, okay, to Cristiano because they are the same. So if I asked you how many Cristiano I have, yes, I have 2 pictures of Cristiano Ronaldo. Yeah, the best player in the world. I have 2 pictures of Cristiano Ronaldo. And as we said before, Mr. Ahmed represent x, so I will say 5x, okay, plus 2 Cristiano Ronaldo, it's mean 2 something. So I will just name Cristiano as R for Ronaldo, okay. So 5x plus 2r. I can't add these together because they are different. This is 2r and this is 5x. It's not about numbers, it's about variables. Look at x here and I have r, they are different. So I will leave it the same, 5x plus 2r. And this is the final answer. Okay, if I have another example, if I have 4x plus 3x, Mister, look at the variable first. I have x and x, they are the same. Okay, and if we just look at the numbers, the coefficients, I have 4 and 3. When we add them, because I have plus here, 4 plus 3, it's 7. So I have how many? Yeah, 7x. Okay, so if I just make it a little bit harder, if I have 6y plus 2y plus 5, yeah, 6y and 2y, they are the same. because they have y. So I will just take 1 and add the coefficients. 2 plus 6 here, I have 8. So I have 8y plus 5. Why I can't add 8y plus 5? Because they are different. I have here 8y, 8 of something, and I have just 5. Okay, they are different. I can add. Mister, I can add 8 plus 5. No, 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 no. Look at the variable. I have here y, and I have here nothing, so I can't add them. They are different. So let's take another example. If I have this example, 8x plus 2y minus y plus 2x. Okay, the like term here is x and x. Okay, x and x, they are like. I will take 1 and just look at the variable. I have 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2, it's 10x. And then I will look to the second variable. I have y and y. They are the same. I will take 1. Look at the coefficients. Sorry, 2, and I have here negative 1. Okay, this is 1. The coefficient of y is negative 1. Okay, so 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, plus. Okay, so 10x plus y. This is the answer. That's it. Combining like term. This is the combining like term is one of the most important skill in algebra. We will use it in almost every equation you solve. So make sure you practice it. Pause the video and solve the homework and plug the answers in the comments, and I will leave a worksheet in the description that will load it and start solving.